Hello guys, it's October 3, 12:30 in the morning and we're talking ano, morning. It's 12:30 na. It's October 3 and nagpapak na kami ng mga dadalhin for our travels. Si Ate Pei at Eden nasa Korea na. They are waiting for bus. Yung 60:15 ano siya, hindi siya, walang late na bus na nagta-travel, so they opted to wait for the other bus which is 6001 bus. And yun, 1 hour ahead of time yung Korea sa Philippine Standard Time. So now I am packing my kit, kit for Korea. Medyo matagal akong mag-prepare ng mga dadalhin kasi I tend to forget some things. So i-read lang natin kung ano ba yung mga usually na dinadala ko for grooming essentials. Number 1, cleanser. This is facial gel. Nilagay ko lang sa mas maliit na lalagyan from Mini. So this is 80 ml pump bottle. And then after cleansing, meron akong toner. Sinalin ko lang din sa small bottle. This is from Miniso. Ito yung hyaluronic acid for para di maging dry yung skin. Unfortunately, tinubuan ako ngayon ng pimple. Cotton pads. Meron din akong, hindi kasi ako ma-lotion na tao. I'm more on body oils. This is from Neutrogena. Sinalin ko lang din sa maliit na lalagyan. Mabango siya. Very light lang yung feeling pag nilagay mo yung bottle niya. This is light sesame formula. 250 ml. Usually nilalagay ko to after mag-workout after shower or at night time. Pero pag lumalabas, ito naman yung lumalabas ng bahay or if you're gonna expose too much sa sun, ito naman yung oil na ginagamit ko from Bench. This is Bench Organics Protect Coconut Beach Oil. Meron kasi siyang SPF. So this is 280 ml bottle. Pinatay ko muna yung electric fan kasi baka maingay sa audio. And then I have shampoo. Pampakapal daw. Hair boost. Okay naman siya so far. Binili ko to sa, hindi ko maalala if it's from Shopee or Lazada. Pero I'll show you the bottle. Siya. Hair booster shampoo kasi medyo manipis yung hair ko, hoping na kumapal. And this is conditioner from Bench also. Ito yung Miracle Toner ng Some by Me. for good siya for travel kasi maliit yung lalagyan niya. Meron akong malaki nun. Ito yung and then I also have of course yung multi-purpose solution for contact lenses. I will be bringing two contact lenses, isang gray and isang brown. Ano pa ba? Of course, deodorant. Isang deodorant ko. Brand ko ng deodorant ay use Nivea na hindi ko makita sa pamalagay. Saka itong Nivea cream for men. Yun lang. Sa mga dadalhin ko na clothes, check ko pa later. Saka yung mga essentials pa na kailangan dalhin, like adapter, type C, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag doon, pero iba yung switch nila sa Korea, so dapat meron kayong adapter. So yun lang guys for now for the grooming essentials. So ika-cut ko muna yung video and I'll share you maybe yung mga OOTDs sa land of Ajushi, Ajuma, Opa, Oma, Abuji. 감사합니다.